Many oil spill victims dealing with their own claims is hard enough. Imagine dealing with thousands of them. That's the situation for the accounting firm Grant Sanders & Taylor in Gulf Shores. They say the lack of transparency and the inconsistency of payments, that's frustrating, and their clients are suffering as promises are broken. Fox 10 News reporter Matt Barentine has their story.
The accounting firm of Grant Sanders & Taylor are dealing with nearly 2,000 business claims. They've watched as some of their clients have been paid, while others with the same paperwork have been denied or shortchanged. CPA Bert Sanders says the lack of transparency from the claims facility has left everyone in the dark.
It's very difficult for us to go back to GCCF and say, look, we don't agree with this issue or how you applied your guidelines here, because you haven't provided us with your calculation.
Sanders says originally they were told that the claims payouts would be based by looking back to the years 2008 and 2009, whichever was higher. But the numbers for many of their clients aren't adding up.
In the cases we looked at, they had actually taken the lower of the 2 years,
which was usually 2009, after the country's economic meltdown. And the larger claims, those greater than $500,000, were the most likely to be shorted. According to the Gulf Coast Facility Guidelines, in fact, the very first one, they say established rules and guidelines apply uniformly to all claimants. The accountants say that's simply not true. CPA Robert Grant met with Feinberg's group just last week and was told flat out that larger claims are being treated differently.
Now we understand why, because they had a different methodology they were using for the larger claims than they were the smaller claims, which I find a little inequitable.
Some of the largest claims, like the rental companies, have received only small percentages of what they claimed, putting them in a financial hole as the slow winter season approaches.
Larger claims, the dollar amount should not have any difference. They just simply have a larger operation with more employees that they have to pay, and they need their money just like a small business with a couple of employees do.
The accountants agree that transparency and consistency with the claims are vital. Otherwise, thousands of businesses are going to keep paying for a problem they didn't create. In Gulf Shores, Matt Barentine, Fox 10 News.
Now, tomorrow morning, Fox 10 News will be on a conference call with Claims Administrator Ken Feinberg. Hopefully, he'll answer some of these questions that continue to frustrate folks.